Hi, this is Carolina, and today we're going to know what is the three-season diet. So let's see. It's actually something that was developed by Dr. John Dillard, and he was a leading practitioner, actually known as an expert in Ayurvedic medicine, which sounds very interesting, in natural health and fitness. One of the things it says is, although there are 4 seasons, these are 3 primary harvests: fall, spring, and summer. Eating with the seasons allow you to eat as nature intended. Very interesting. So what does it entail? The foods that include is winter and fall, it would be stuff like soups, nuts, grains, meats, and fish. In the spring, salads, sprouts, berries, and leafy greens. In the summer, fresh fruits and vegetables. What foods do we avoid then? It says processed foods, fast foods, and foods not in season. What are the pros? An emphasis on whole foods. And eating with the seasons allows your body to return to its natural rhythm. And the book includes extensive food glossary listing origin and nutritional qualities of each food. But what are the cons? Then it says not a step-by-step program and may be difficult for some to eliminate all processed foods. And it's not a quick weight loss solution. So what else can we learn about this? Well, it says that Dr. Dillard explains why it's important to make lunch the largest meal of the day and allow adequate time to enjoy food. He discourages snacking and stating that it's like a counterproductive to weight loss efforts and might lead to hypoglycemia. According to the Ayurveda, eating with the seasons for your body type and the right time of day in combination with an exercise routine helps you reach a healthy weight and a high energy levels. The 3 seasons diet calls for a different diet plan for each season. And during the fall and winter, the diet calls for the foods high in protein and fat. During the spring, low fat foods are recommended, and during the summer, a high carbohydrate diet is said to be the best. Dr. Dillard says that the body naturally craves soups, nuts, grains, warm grains, and proteins like meat and fish during the winter to stay warm, and low-fat foods like salads, berries, and leafy greens in the spring to feel light, and naturally high-carbohydrate foods like fruits and vegetables in the summer to keep the body cool. Do you like this season diet? If you've tried it, let me know how it went. Bye.